Okay, so we're looking at page 99 on the right side. So let's look at another example of a helix. Remember this falls under the chapter called Loki, and it's plotting a point of movement. At the moment, we're still drawing what I call the toilet roll. Okay, it looks like a toilet roll, and we're trying to get that curve there. What is important, you have to read the questions specifically. You don't, shh, guys. Shh. So it says, the pitch is 48. That's the distance from, if you rotate the roll once, the distance from there to the curve in the same position. So in other words, the height. It turns 3 times, and it turns right to the right. They showed you as well that the starting point is here at A. Okay, and A is this time in the middle. So I'm going to start my numbering there. If they say right-handed, give you another word for right-handed. Clockwise, yes. So it's 0 or A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then at 12 again. So I always remember right-handed is clockwise, left-handed is anti-clockwise. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is where it gets very complicated. Like I said, if the helix starts at the top, it's easy. If it's at the bottom, we have a bit of a situation here.
So don't you just turn your board upside down?
That is one thing you can do. No, that's one method you can. Okay, that is true. Clockwise, yes. Okay. We just have to be very careful now what we do with the numbering. 1, 2, yes. Okay, so we start in the middle. That's why the A is there. And on your front view, the A is at the bottom. So what will change with the numbering? On your front view, it will start at the bottom and you divide from bottom upwards. Not like in this picture where it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 12 and then 0 again. So you have to look at where it starts. Does it start, on the top view where it starts, and on the front view, does it start at the top or at the bottom? That's very important.
So if you number anti-clockwise, so you go 1, 2, 3 that way.
Good question. Yes, then your auger will be wrong, but if it happens in a paper, you'll lose marks once, and then I'll mark it with the mistake. So you'll have a mirror image of how it should look like.
So your numbering should always be clockwise.
So say again?
Your numbering should always be clockwise.
No. If it's right-handed, clockwise. If it's left-handed, anti-clockwise.
So in this case, it's right-handed.
How do you know it's right-handed? Good question. How do you know it's right-handed? The question has to state it. In this case, it says here, instructions. Starting at point A, draw to scale 1 to 1, 3 turns of a right-hand single line auger. So they have to tell you, otherwise it can be either way. Did someone figure out what is the distances between every divider? 4. How did you get it?
48 divided by 12.
Good, because the pitch is 48. Divide 48 by 12, 4. Good.
I'm joking. I'm very waiting.
Yes.
Huh? Let's just take something for 10 minutes.
I'll quickly come and have a look. I'm just gonna quickly divide this. Let's just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so I'm just busy dividing this front view 3 times into 12 parts of 4 millimeters each. Mm, 28, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0. I've got a feeling that
I'm not gonna explain to you. It's smooth.
oh no, I made a boo-boo, but it's not a big boo-boo, but it's a boo-boo. I looked at the wrong, I made it 120, I was looking at this, it should be 144, but luckily that's not I haven't made numbers yet, so that's not too bad. Let me just, okay, hold on, I'm just gonna quickly fix this. Okay, I have salvaged my drawing, it is fine. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No wait, I skipped something. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just one too far. There we go. And A should be here. Make a note as well for yourself. You'll also lose a mark if you don't put a center line in your top view and in your front view, because it's a cylindrical or it's a circle. Remember, every time if there's a circle in your picture, center lines. So make a note now, because I even forget it.
Oh, so we can mark down if we don't have that.
Yes.